Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll show you how to link Evony to Facebook. So let's get started. First, open your Evony game. Then tap on three horizontal dots. Now select Settings. Tap on Account. And then tap on Link Account button. Then select Link Facebook option. Now tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can link Evony to Facebook. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.